There are many tools available to assist you get started learning how to code, which can be a difficult but worthwhile endeavor. I've prepared a list of 11 websites in this video that provides free tools for learning how to code. These websites provide something for you no matter what experience you have, from interactive tutorials and exercises to complete courses. These websites are a wonderful location to start learning a new language, whether you're a total novice or an experienced developer. Without further ado, the following 10 websites are listed. Codecademy. This website offers free coding courses in a variety of programming languages, such as Python, Java, and HTML. Khan Academy. This non-profit organization offers free online courses and educational resources in computer science and programming, including JavaScript, HTML/CSS, and SQL. Coursera. This platform offers free and paid online courses from top universities and educational institutions around the world, including computer science and programming courses. edX. This platform offers online courses and programs from top universities and institutions around the world, including MIT and Harvard, in a range of subjects including computer science and programming. Code.org. This website offers free coding lessons and resources for students of all ages, including interactive tutorials and projects. Udemy. This platform offers online courses and tutorials on coding and related topics from experts in the field. Many of the courses are free, while others have a fee. The Odin Project. This website offers a free, self-paced curriculum for learning web development, including HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Free Code Camp. A self-paced curriculum from Free Code Camp is available and includes lessons in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other web development-related topics. The curriculum is organized around projects and interactive challenges that let users develop practical projects and put their abilities to use. Solo Learn. This website offers free coding courses in a variety of programming languages, including Python, C++, and Java. It also has a community forum where users can ask and answer questions and share resources. Code Wars. This website offers coding challenges and exercises in a variety of programming languages, including Python, Java, and Ruby. It's a good resource for practicing and improving your coding skills. Code Avengers. This website offers interactive coding courses in a variety of programming languages, including HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It's designed for beginners and is suitable for students of all ages.